Okay, I will tell you, just don't start from zero always. Like, you don't have to like rebuild everything from zero. Everything from zero. Because although Batman said once that I will rebuild it everything brick by brick, but that's not true for all cases of life. So I will today tell you some instances where you just don't have to rebuild everything from zero. Sometimes you just need to do it from where you left. Like, instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, if something you have built already has value, so you should keep on building on that thing. Because suppose you have already built one thing and you have failed in that, after 1 year when you come back, so you shouldn't start from complete scratch. You should rebuild on this again. After 1 year, if you come back, you should again rebuild on this. So I will tell you with some examples. Like, for example, if you are reading a book, for example, you started reading a book, and you read 4 pages out of motivation or anyway. So you read the 4 pages, and after 2 days you don't like to, like, you didn't want to read further. So you couldn't keep up the motivation, and you didn't read the book for the next, like, 4 5 days. So after a few days, we come back and we start reading the book from zero. So here you don't have to read the book from again starting. You need to continue from where you left. So you need to start reading from fifth page. It is very important because you will be caught up in that loop. Again, you are starting over from 1 to 4 page. Again, you are like, you are not able to keep up with that habit, and again you are coming back and starting from zeroth page. So here, one more example we can take. For example, you are doing gym. So you are doing gym and you are lifting weights. Okay. So now you did gym for 9 days out of motivation. But now again you don't feel like doing it. Again you have left it for like 15 days. Now again you are feeling very bad that I am not able to keep up with that motivation. So again you plan to rejoin the gym. So now you are again starting from day zero. Although it is not day zero, but you're thinking like that. Like, again, I have to start from zero. So you don't have to think like that also. You have to think that today is my 10th day. And you need to think like this. Okay. And you should consider this 15 days break as a like break. Yeah, I need break. Don't think like that I have wasted this 15 days. Think it like a break. So whenever you continue from where you left. One more example I can take. For example, in India and other places also, I know we give competitive exams for either getting admission in a college, or sometimes to get jobs also. So in that case, most of us, what we do, we prepare for the exam for like 1 year. And for example, we are not able to make in that exam. We are not able to clear that exam. So when we come back to prepare it again on the second time, we sometimes start everything from scratch, from zero. But we shouldn't do that. We should start our preparation exactly where we left that preparation. Like, what you were reading on the last day of exam, you should exactly start from that on the next day after failing that exam. So you should continue from where you left. Again, I would like to share a personal example with you of my life. So I was preparing for a competitive exam, which was IIT JEE. So there in class 12, I gave that exam, and failed in that exam. But I got good marks in chemistry, good marks, and maths and physics, I got poor marks. In the next year, when I again gave that exam, so this time I got good marks in maths, but poor marks in chemistry. So this happened because I started everything from scratch. And I was a child that time and I couldn't realize that what I should do is I should start from where I left. So my chemistry was already good. So I need not to start the chemistry from scratch. Instead, what I should do was I should focus on maths and physics. And like the chemistry already I had the notes. I just need to revise and give the exam and my chemistry was already good. So in a way, if I would have done like this, so I would have, if I have removed chemistry from my exam in the next year, then I could have plenty of time just to focus on maths and physics. I studied chemistry. Even after studying chemistry, I was not able to get good marks because I was studying everything by scratch, chemistry, physics, and maths. And again, I was not able to make it. For example, when it came for my sister, she was preparing, she is my little sister. So she was preparing for NEET exam. Now I had my failure, I had learned from my failure. So in the first attempt, like in the first year of the NEET exam, she got around 150 marks. And NEET is a very difficult exam. It is for the medical entrance exam for becoming MBBS doctor in India. So in the second attempt, she got 360 marks out of 720. And here she got good marks in physics, but bio and chemistry, she got bad marks. And she was not able to clear the exam. So the next year, what I told her that you should instead focus more on bio and chemistry. And you don't have to focus anyway more on physics because you already had the notes, you have got good marks. You need to believe that my physics is over, I just need to revise it. And the subsequent year, she got around 560 marks by 720. And this year, she already got good marks in physics as last year only. She got good marks in bio also. So this year's her bio improved. But again, chemistry, it was not good. On the like fourth attempt, when she gave the exam, she got around 630 marks out of 720. And this year, she focused only on chemistry. And this year, again, she got very good marks in physics, very good marks in bio, and very good marks in chemistry also. So only thing different she did was now she was continuing from where she left. Okay, so this was the problem I faced in my life, and maybe many of the aspirants and many people may face this problem in different phases of their life. So you need to understand that sometimes you don't have to start everything from scratch. You don't have to become Batman in all situations, and you have to start rebuilding everything from scratch, everything from zero. Sometimes you need to just continue from where you left. So I hope that I have made myself clear, and even if one person is getting like inspired by my problem and how I solved it, so I will think that it was a success of making this video. So thank you.